Rick Astley has officially released a sequel to his iconic 1987 hit, Never Gonna Give You Up, perhaps one of the most famous songs in the world at this point due to its consistent presence in meme culture. This sequel is called Never Gonna Stop, and showcases the man's excellent voice in a song all about staying human in a world that constantly threatens to make it difficult to do so. Rick wrote in the comments, "My wife Lena and I shot this video on a phone in Denmark, in a forest beside a beautiful beach. The song, in essence, is about how there is so much technology out there pulling and pushing us in our daily lives, that we need to remain human in this fast-moving world. The idea of making a video simply, somewhere beautiful and real like this resonates with me, and I hope it does with you too." It's a somewhat cliched statement about technology affecting human life, but man, I cannot agree with it more. Humans are biological, which means we are inefficient, messy, and emotional, and sometimes technology, especially social media, is incredibly good at exploiting that until we are led by the nose by algorithms. As such, it's always important to take a step back from social media and remind oneself that it isn't all there is to life, which is an attitude that Rick took after exploding into stardom whilst he was young. After reaching incredible heights as a singer from the late 80s to early 90s, he actually retired at 27 years old to focus on family life and dipped out of the spotlight. That is something worth a ton of respect, and his return in the early 2000s led to the unmanageably popular Rickrolling trend, blasting him back into the world as a household name. He has since totally embraced the meme, especially in 2020 when he was rickrolled by a fan, tricking him into clicking a link to his own song disguised as a picture of a backstage meeting. Rick Astley is touring later in the year, so if you're a diehard fan and you'd like to catch him live, there's still time. Fans of Never Gonna Give You Up may be interested to find Rick has also long since moved from dance pop to soul, and his iconic deep voice is absolutely perfectly suited to the job. Whilst only 2 singles, Never Gonna Stop and Dip in My Feet, have released from his new album Are We There Yet so far, the entirety of it comes out next month, so keep an eye out for some cool tunes. In short, it's awesome to see a humble man who left the spotlight to focus on his family continue to reach unparalleled success, in part due to meme culture, and as such his sequel to Never Gonna Give You Up deserves every listen. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!